What's going on? Matt with the Handy Manual here. Today we're going to be covering how to set up your Housecall Pro account for 2026. We're going to cover various topics today, but we want to make sure that you can hit the ground running in 2026 so that you can start earning money and keep your business operations as efficient as possible. So we're going to cover how to set up a job, how to create an estimate, making sure that your team members are in the system and your company details. We're going to walk through some automations as well as reporting and just cover some key things so that you make sure that you're ready to go for the new year. All right, so let's dive in. All right, so I first want to cover the workflow in using Housecall Pro and how you handle work orders and various formats of how you can set up a job. So we have multi-day jobs where you have like a complex installation, takes a couple days or so. And then you have segments where you might have different phases. And then we have recurring jobs. These are like maintenance type jobs where you go out and service someone's water heater, for instance, throughout the course of a year. So just to recap, we have the multi-day jobs. They're called appointments in Housecall Pro. Then we have segments, and then we have recurring jobs. So that's just something to think about when you're using the software so that you can set up work orders. This is the job screen. What we first want to do to create multiple appointments is go up here, add appointment, and then you can add in all the appointments for this job. Let's say it's like a complex water heater installation. And then to create a segment, you go up here to this wrench icon and we click add a segment. So this splits up the job into multiple phases, and you can combine progress invoicing with this. To create a recurring job, you go back to add appointment, and you go down here to this drop down, and you can change the settings to how you need for recurring appointments. So that's like a quick overview of how to work with jobs in Housecall Pro. Now, to create an estimate, you go up to New, click Estimate. And this is pretty straightforward. Add your services here, add your materials. You want to build out your price book. You can, if you have an existing price book in like a CSV file, you can upload that here and import all your line items. But once you have that integrated into the system, once you start typing, those items will populate here, and you can just easily add line items into your estimates. And now a great option that Housecall Pro offers is the ability to present like a good, better, best package to your clients so that they can make the best informed decision for them. But we want to go up here, click present, and this is where you'd add the multiple options. You can change even the layout here, kind of like a carousel with different options. And this is great from a sales perspective. So you can give the customer multiple options to choose from. So this will help them feel more informed and choose an option that works best for them, and also gives you the opportunity to make an upsell. So just building this into your estimating workflow, the good, better, best options is just a great way to make some additional sales and earn more revenue for your business. All right, next we want to make sure that our team members are in the system for the new year and that our company details are up to date. So we'll go up to the gear icon, and under company, you want to make sure that all of your information is up to date. This displays on invoices and estimates, so you want to get these global settings right so that your company data is accurate. So then under global settings also we have team and permissions. So this is where we'll add any new team members and manage your staff here, as well as managing the permissions for each team member depending on their role. Next, we want to cover invoicing and make sure that your invoicing process is as streamlined as possible so that basically as soon as you close out a job, you can get paid. And so there's a few options we have. We'll go over to settings again, and we'll scroll down to invoices. So first off, we have progress invoicing. This is a great option. You just toggle it on here, and this gives you the option to be able to send invoices throughout the course of a job at various stages. Then if we go over to customer view, we can change the default terms either upon receipt, or we can have it net to a certain amount of days, and then some additional customer facing options here. What's also great too under automations is obviously you can set your invoice reminders to be sent automatically after a certain amount of time. And then also you can set up automatic payments. So if a customer has a credit card on file with you and you set the payment terms to be due upon completion, then when you click finish in the app or on the desktop on a job, the client's card will automatically be charged. So that way there's no sending invoices. It's just done automatically and you get paid right away. So that's a key feature to have. All right, so let's quickly cover some more automations here that are really powerful within Housecall Pro. So first off, we have our text messaging. So as soon as you start navigating to a job in the job screen on the app, a customer will be notified that you're on your way, and you can, in the settings here, you can adjust what the text message says. Additionally, after you close out the job, you click finish in the app, review link will automatically be texted to the client so that you can start building those reviews and grow your business that way as well. What's also nice is if we go to the marketing center, this is an add-on, but you can set up email marketing campaigns as well as text messaging campaigns. These are really powerful for, like say a one-off seasonal blast if your workload kind of dips, or kind of ongoing touch points throughout the year. Keep your business top of mind for your clients. And we covered the invoice automation reminders, as well as the automatic payments too. Now, another great automation to have for your business, this just automates the process of client intake, is setting up online booking. So heading into the new year, you want to make sure that your online booking is set up so that clients searching online can easily book with you, and then all their information is captured in one spot and then is easily integrated with the system so that you can respond through Housecall Pro right away, start creating estimates, taking payments, things like that. And in order to do that, you go over to booking under feature configurations in the settings. Then you can walk through all of these steps to get your booking set up. And then you can easily just embed a link on your website, post it on all your socials so that you point leads to this unified online booking form. And you can even add services with pricing and photos. So this just enables client self-booking and just saves you a lot of back and forth. So the last thing I want to cover with Housecall Pro today is the reporting. So we'll go up to the top, click reporting. Now, heading into 2026, you want to make sure that you identify the key performance indicators that you want to track throughout the course of the new year to make sure that you are on target and consistently growing and hitting those numbers. So in Housecall Pro, they give you a lot of options for creating custom reports, and they have some pre-populated ones here as well that are really powerful. But I recommend going through this and just identifying what you want to track and then setting recurring times throughout the year, maybe once a month, once a quarter, to go in and review all of your reports, making sure that you are on target for the year. All right, so just to recap again, we want to make sure that you get your job workflow set up in the system, as well as your estimating workflow. Those go hand in hand, and you want to make sure that there's no bottlenecks in your overall workflow using the software so that you're as efficient as possible. Making sure to use those multi-day appointments, segments, and recurring jobs to your advantage. Then you want to make sure that your team and company information is all up to date and correctly in the system. Then you want to handle invoicing. Make sure that you have automatic payments set up, automatic reminders get sent out, and make sure that those specific details like when you want the invoice to be due is all set up, and tying the progress invoicing to the format of job that you have. So if you have, a segmented job with multiple phases, making sure that you're using the progress invoicing correctly so that you make sure that you get paid for each phase. Then we talked about some automations that will save you a lot of time. Reviews, automated text messages, the marketing center. You want to make sure that you're utilizing those automations so that you can take more work off of your admins, your office staff, and just create less headache. And then incorporating that. And then also within the umbrella of automation is setting up your online booking. That's huge. So clients can easily book themselves and your schedule fills up automatically. And then finally, we talked about reporting. making sure to identify the key areas where you want to track, and then setting a frequency to review those reports to make sure that you're on target. With that said, I hope you have a strong 2026 year and that you can hit the ground running using Housecall Pro. Now, if you need help optimizing your Housecall Pro account, I work with home service businesses one-on-one to get them utilizing the software to its potential. So if you're interested in that, check the description below. Also, if you're new to Housecall Pro, there's also a link in the description for you to sign up and try it for yourself free for 14 days. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.